This is Horny Mike down here at Kustoms. I'm working on my Corvette. It's got a huge space that we had down here for headlights, but it was just a huge, boring, empty space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some new 3D printed grills with the headlights in the grill. You know, nicely, already designed in. So anyways, I just want to show you guys how I'm going to do it. First, got to put the dots on. Those are the marker dots for the scanner. They're already on. You don't want to watch that part, so I didn't make you. And you start your scanner. So you already got a couple dots. I already tested it a little bit. You hit play. Bam! Did I forget to hit it? There we go. All right. Now this goes kind of fast because you're just trying to get the markers. And it catches the markers pretty easy and fast. You want to try to keep this bad boy in the green. See this on here? And right there. You want to try to keep it in the green. That's what gets you all your dots. There we go. There we go. Nope. Yep, there we go. Some green. All right. The dots just tell the laser where it is on the car, but it needs the dots to figure out where it is. Anyways, you hit stop. It's going to process the markers, and then bam. You can kind of see the shape in there. And for any markers that I might have missed, when you scan it, it'll pick up those markers. Anyways, now to put it over to laser patch. We'll start scanning. Bam. You hit play. All your lasers start popping out. And then once again, keep it in the green. And kind of use it like a paintbrush. You gotta understand is now that you got all your measurements, you got all your angles, you can design all of this in the computer, take it over to the 3D printer, print it out, and then bam, you got some new badass custom made you can never find, never buy anywhere, and would cost you of money to have made without 3D printing. Check out what we got. Now that gives you your full bucket, anything you want. It gives you all your angles. See, now I got to go back and get that. I'm going to hold on, rotate it. See how I have to go back and get that edge because I was going a little too fast. But overall, you already have your full bucket size. You know, you'll know how far you can go back. It'll even, when I finish scanning, see, this gives you your back edge. That tells you how far you can come back with the bucket. So, and I'm even going to do some little ram air vents down here. So they'll have a little scoop down there. It'll kick up. It'll go through and go right into your radiator. But I just wanted to show you guys how cool and easy this all makes. This makes it simple. I mean, that would be, you'd have to custom make something and then you'd have to try to remake it. Just do all this in the computer, take it over there, 3D print it. All right, it ain't that fast. It's going to take a couple days, maybe a week to print. But when they're done, again, custom stuff that you could never do, and all you need is a badass scanner and a 3D printer.
Teen Smart